Darren Nickole here.
And on today's video, we are bringing you guys on our Oahu trip. This is my first time on this beautiful island. I can't wait.
Yeah, my friend Amir invited us over. He wanted to do a beach cleanup on the east side, and he wanted to help us make a video for the launch of our NFTs happening soon. So yeah, we're excited to do some work and also maybe see what else can happen while we're there.
Yeah, maybe some photo shoots. Maybe I'll go back into modeling, dip my toe back in. Hopefully my shoots plan out the way they will, and we have some meetings with awesome groups of people like the Hawaii entrepreneurs. We're so excited to meet all our new friends, and we can't wait to bring you guys on this little adventure. Let's go! Today we are on our second trip. We are in Oahu.
Out here on the east side, Kualoa Ranch, staying with our friend Amir.
He's right there getting his paddleboard set up, because guess what we're doing?
He's taking us paddleboarding to the Chinaman'S hat, something I've heard a lot of people over here do. Never been able to do it, so.
And this is my first time on this island, so I'm super excited that this is the first thing we get to do. Darren was talking about this entire time leading up to this trip, so the fact that this is the first thing we're doing is so excited. So let's bring you guys on a little adventure. Let's go.
Off to Nickole IG.
Hey, wait, we should show you. Look at you guys. What a good boyfriend, am I right? Yeah, you go, you go, you go, you go, you run. We made it.
Alright, Amir's taking us out, going on a little tour around
an adventure.
Chinaman'S hat.
Big shout out.
Beautiful.
To our lovely host for bringing us on our first adventure. Yes, yes, yes.
Let's get out there. Down for a workout. Let's go.
Bay is killing it. I wish I could help him, but I can't. I don't know what to do. I'm using my arm, everyone. Look how much we made it, though. We're literally killing it. Amir's ripping through this. He did mention that he does this almost every day, so he's definitely someone to do this little adventure with. Whee! Oh Lord, please don't touch me. Oh, it didn't get us. The sun has come out for us. Look how blue the water is. We are still making our way. Look how pretty. Alright, you guys, it is officially right next to us. Baby is killing it. He is working so hard, and I'm just sitting here like a little princess. Queen! That's right, and Amir is in God knows where, all the way over there. Alright, you guys, we had a little pit stop.
And picking up, we're probably going to try to do this full lap around the island tomorrow when it's glassy. Amir was able to send it, but in this big floaty board, we're just getting tossed around by the wind. So
yeah, it's time to go back. Sorry, Amir, we can't do this. And now we are descending. Goodbye. Woo, you splashed me, baby. On our way back. Oh, he's catching a wave. What the heck? That's so cool. So you guys, behind these mountains, Darren was just telling me that parts of Jurassic Park were filmed here. Is that correct, baby?
Yeah, a lot of Hollywood movies. Kualoa Ranch is just famous for, you know, any type of tropical island scene. A lot of it's filmed out here. A lot of the castings and stuff are out here.
Definitely. I mean, I feel like I've seen this. Darren and I also watched like this Netflix movie, right?
Finding Ohana.
Yep.
That was filmed right over here.
Yep. I remember bits and pieces of it. Love it. We're getting there. We're getting there. We are almost next to him here. He finally has caught up to us. Just kidding. We never could catch up to him. Are we gonna ride this wave? Whee! Up and over. There he is. We're almost back.
The waves are kind of nuts.
Really freaking beautiful though, right?
So
Yeah,
beautiful.
It's so sick.
Especially when it's glassy, I bet it's so nice.
Oh my god, it's so rare though.
Yeah.
Over here, like, but yeah, the days it is glassy, we're always out here.
Give us a glassy day. We do love the waves though.
Valley Isle, the most windy island.
Yeah.
True.
But yeah, I don't paddleboard when it's windy. It's brutal.
Brutal city.
Especially in this thing, it's so long, it kind of was zigzagging, so it's hard to go straight.
Things out the mirror. Hey,
Oh! No! I called it! I literally said this was gonna happen.
Okay. Oh, fine.
Open it
That
up.
one's waterproof.
No! Grab it open. Alright, I guess I'll throw this in then.
So we ended up getting wet after all. Nickole fell in.
I fell in because a wave came over. Everyone was talking. I literally told Darren this was gonna happen. I have a backpack on. I don't know if you guys saw. My phone was in there, but Darren just said that nothing seems wet. So if something's wet, we're yelling at him. Oh, we're yelling at you, babe. Just kidding. Woo! Let's go pick up some trash.
Out here at the waterfall shoot.
Hello, baby. Look at this, you guys. We are shooting.
Got the olive oil.
Spray me up, baby.
A little bit closer, yeah. smells good. Shiny. Just finished spraying down Bay with some olive oil.
It is hot out here. You guys, I want you to meet Mr. Tom over there.
What's up, what's up?
Give them your Instagram.
Denison Visuals, and if you're looking for family stuff, Denison Photography.
Woo! We're gonna kill this shoot. We are looking to get a photo for the co-store window front. So let's do this, let's make magic, and let's go on an adventure.
A little bit of rain, giving us a little bit of mood setting.
Good, love that. Let's rotate your hips a little bit towards me. Good. Not too much, just like a very... Love it. Good.
Alright guys, we are getting soaked, but we're doing it for the shot. And it's coming out so sick. But it is raining pretty hard right now. Gonna be soaked. It's coming down. Guys are killing it. Handled a little squall. Now the sun's out.
I think it started sprinkling during that set, but I blacked out because it was like so...
We did it.
Yeah, I'm like drenched. When did this happen? I didn't know it was raining. It is downpouring. So wet. Darren and I finally
Gotta get wet at a waterfall shoot. Can't expect to stay dry when you're in the rainforest.
No flash flooding though, that's the good thing.
On to the second waterfall.
Down.
Location number 3, we've been shooting for like 3 or 4 hours. Going hard, coming out super good. Wait till you see these shots. On and off rain all day long. Gotta love the east side.
East side.
I can feel what you want me to be. I can be who you want me to be. I can feel what you want me to be.
We're out here at the 3rd waterfall location. The coast swim. These waterfalls on Oahu are pretty lit. You got this, babe. Mountain goat. Channel your Aries mountain goat. Alright guys, we are now at the studio. Such a dope vibe. Gotta build this in our yard one day soon. This outdoor shower. Little retro vintage tub. Got all these beautiful plants and flowers. Beautiful baby. Killing it.
Hi, baby. In my little outfit. It's a little broken in the back, but don't tell anyone, okay?
Photo shoot. Got Nickole here in this beautiful little tub. Amazing little studio.
Shout out Aloha Paradise Studio in Oahu. Thank you for having me and everyone here. We can't wait to see the final product.
But
guys,
I think
book
you know what it
your
is.
time here.
Oh my god. That is so cool.
No way.
One of your hand out to me, hon.
Wow. Butterflies feel, baby.
Hi, see? There's butterflies everywhere.
They're loving you.
Hold that right there. Chin up slow. Good. Blink. Good.
High five, baby. You did it. Almost 12 hours of shooting, probably 10 hours, little break, Pokeball in between.
Yeah.